everybody? Today we are actually going to get my new front bumper paint match to color my car here. Got the new bumper back there. If you don't know what it is, it's actually just a 2018 and up new front bumper because the 2015 one looks kind of plain in my opinion. Okay guys, it's been a while. I probably look really different, got a haircut and everything, but okay, so it's been a couple days, and as you guys saw before, I got the new bumper painted and I just picked it up, and here it is, guys. Look at that. My buddy Leo, or my dad's friend Leo, owns a shop named Leo's Paint Shop. That sounded weird. I don't know why I said it like that, but he paint matched the new front bumper to the original paint of the car, and it actually looks really good. It looks exactly the same. If you can see from here in the light, and even from afar, it looks amazing. Everybody, so it's been a long time coming, and finally we got all the parts to complete the front bumper. Let's go and let's actually set up the front bumper with the grille and the fog light bezels first. Alright everyone, so here's the front grille. It is very different from every other front grille on other WRXs. So when you see it in person, it stands out a lot. Here it is, guys. This is the front grille. So it's pretty different from the other front grilles. It doesn't have the Subaru logo. It just has this mesh, and it is made out of carbon fiber, and I did get it paint matched. So I got it on Subi Speed. I do not have a discount code. It's tough, but you know, we got it. It doesn't matter. So I actually got a paint matched here, 61K to the car, and I think I got the last one, unless they go in stock again. But right now it's out of stock in this color, so yeah. All right, let's see how this thing looks. This is my first time seeing it too. Oh my goodness, look at that. This looks so good. I love that, you know, this is carbon fiber and they paint matched it just so this portion of the carbon fiber shows. Like, just look at it. It looks so good. I can't wait to put this thing on. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now we just gotta pop the fog light bezels in, and then we're gonna mount it on the car, and then after it's on the car, then we will put the front lip on. I just got some plain fog light bezels, so no fog lights here, no turn signals on them. I might get the ones with the, you know, the cool strips. I'm not sure if you've seen them before, but maybe I might get them. But other than that, I don't really use my fog lights at all. So I just thought maybe I'll do this, and I'll route the turn signal somewhere, maybe on the bottom of the car, make it look different, a little bit cool. Oh, this is gonna be nice, guys. Check it out. Anyways, here is the new front bumper. Major difference, if you can just tell from just the way it looks compared to the old bumper here. But oh, I can't wait to put this on. Okay, here we're trying to get a side-by-side difference, y'all, between the new one and the old one. Y'all see anything? Yeah, maybe, yeah. Y'all should be able to see it once I put it on the car and put the front lip on. But now we're gonna put that one on. But this is what I was actually talking about here. So, since I don't have any like turn signals down here, any fog light bezels, we basically just tucked the fog light into this hole, and we taped the turn signal to just face the ground. So now, theoretically, if I do use my turn signals, it should light up the floor like underglow. Yep. Look at that. It just lights up the floor. So what all people will be seeing are my top turn signals there, and from a distance or from the side, they will see the underglow turn signals. Okay, guys, front bumper is on, but we're missing the last piece, which is the front lip. And don't worry, guys, I got that too. Here it is. It actually comes in 3 pieces, so I have to put it together and then drill it onto the car. But let's see how it looks like. So I'm gonna go set this up right now. Look at this, guys. The car looks completely different now. Oh man, wait, I want to test these turn signals. Yeah. Look at that. Oh. Well, I will finish this with some cinematics when it's the next day and it's not cloudy and it's sunny. So, and it's not nighttime either, but oh, this looks great. Look at that. Oh boy. I got my wallet. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. New front bumper, completely new front and front bumper conversion, upgrade, fucking change of the car. A lot of fun doing it. A long time waiting for the new front bumper to come in.
Yeah, I'm getting my bag soon. So stay tuned, I'm getting my bags.
But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you for the support. Later, guys. Beep.